Russian President Vladimir Putin said Monday that the Russian economy is withstanding the blow of Western sanctions quite well, despite all the difficulties, as was evidenced by all the key macroeconomic indicators. The Kremlin said Putin made the remarks during talks with visiting Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko in Russia's Black Sea resort city of Sochi. According to Putin, the leaders met because the situations regarding the regional security, the security of the two countries, and the economy call for a serious and profound conversation. Putin noted that Russia and Belarus have many spheres of joint work, including in sectors of energy and agriculture. Lukashenko said that Western countries have given Belarus and Russia an impetus to develop their own economies more intensively, stressing that we have a huge market, resources, and technology. Also on Monday, Polish Minister of Climate and Environment Anna Moskva said, the country has formally cancelled its contract with Russia on natural gas supply via the Yamal pipeline. The contract would originally end at the end of this year. After the start of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, Poland announced a plan to end imports of Russian coal, gas, and oil, while Russia in April halted deliveries of gas, in retaliation to Poland's refusal to pay for energy in ruble.